While your devices may appear clean on the outside, there's probably a lot of junk hidden on the inside that you may not even know is slowing your devices down. It's time to clean up your phone, next on Tech Device News. The first thing you want to do is to back up everything on your phone, and I mean everything. All your vacation photos and other random items should be backed up either onto a cloud-based service like Dropbox or Google Drive, or you can also put your files on a flash drive or hard drive to store it locally and not in the cloud. You want to do this so you don't accidentally delete files you want to keep when cleaning out your phone. The next thing that you want to do is to clear out unwanted files from your storage. One big thing to clear out is your browser history. That history that you've logged most likely can take up many gigabytes of storage. Another thing to do is to clear the cache that's built up when you use applications. You can do that in the settings. But by far the best thing you can do is to delete unused apps. When you get a new phone, you probably download many apps that you may not end up using very often or at all. So clear out all the unnecessary junk. Once your photos and videos are backed up, you should transfer them to a flash drive or a hard drive, anywhere where they can be safely stored. Then you can safely delete these files from your phone. You want to remove all these things because over time, they can slow down your phone's speed from taking up too much storage. A good way to freshen up your phone is to organize your home screen. If you own an Android phone, then you can add widgets and organize apps any way you want to make it easier to get to the apps you use. If you own an iPhone, it's harder to specifically place apps wherever you want. You would have to put your apps in folders or line the apps from left to right, row by row. But by far, the best way to keep your phone feeling fresh and ready to use for another year is to update your software. You know, those reminders that you get saying there's a new update for the phone that you'll ignore until you remember a few months later. These updates are very crucial for your phone to have the best security and all the newest features that these updates also bring. Just know that if you own a phone 2 or 3 years after it was released, these software updates could slow down your phone since your phone is not as optimized as the newer models. Since your devices can get dirty, now would also be a good time to wipe down your phone with a phone cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth. And if your screen protector is cracked, now would also be a good time to swap it with a new one. If you haven't already, please give this video a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, be sure to click the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video is posted. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.